was it any gin come on? And what kind of sano? And about Addisia Womo.
Show. Now we walk as one confident in our crying your bro for. We are brother to Diana.
There be a clock to be to man, young girl behind, but only a banana voice in the same. I am not too young to say Anna Bay. Aha, Conwa to young to say ya.
Exactly.
Aha, but a quadano on the two, you know.
Mammy, I did
was I ye ba could be pa man. Amma Sompa nkasa ho.
Okay.
Enyum de mame fante brunya.
You better launch.
Yeah. Radin to two namo NCA. On fanyum to and shout touch them so. Now Radin Yankupon and fast city and shower flum. A Radin Mama Sonia ding and sne what tamfo. A Radin Yankupon to two namo NCA. A Radin Mawachi dump him. A Radin Yankupon to Tata Fanko to baby on one rate. Asafu Yehowa on one share. So they will call. Shall come to a bravo so. There's a pony in count. No how men to my die. Or pim the toe benkum. Or pidu beto nifa. A didn't count what it. Would you when you want to shed one word going for a katia. A radian muti and torso. A radin sra and torso. A radiabaso bo and you would say. A radinal chem. A radinal catabo. A radinal tipeja for. A radinal temtina for. A radinal register for pa. And give you our shre. A radin fantomo. Bosumi wemu. Radima on Srewati, Radima Wadansidie, Radima Nipanus on a bow, Machicho Re, O Christo Yesu Dimo, and Yabompae. Amen.
country why you born I
Hey, I'm Papa, say you want Yamia Yawade. Mima, good afternoon. And Eye Wukwada. I say ya boy, Nene, in Sancheri, see video ha. Me buy a matini na. Matisa GM, where she has some delights car. Ain't you a bear? I cry a bit, yes, or bubble some delight. Auntie Akosi I go about Madam Communication Pastor Michawe ye. Mijiri se bibia eye boko wakache. Odofo wo tie me mechia wo sonko enenwie yi. Mr. Radi se Anthony Shira engu no ba yeso. Anthony Sompa engu no ba yeso. Na bibia wuye bia oma enkoye. Wujidi akase amen. Edia mejeswa ne Abena Ruthy. Na jumedie ne sane awonim no eye Sompa delight. Na sane ye peja abeti kakra ne ade ka no. Wanya rehearsal out minka. Sompa delight. Sisia Sompa programs nya ebe ne sa Sompa Ghana today. Sompa sports. Me I call Sompa for God and country. Any I can't na me mo akwa abasonko ene ewie. Me jidi say bibia eye boko ene ye Wednesday na sanya ya sha ase deda no wonim Wednesday eye Sompa day, Sompa special. Sompa and bro ye beka ne say I service excellence and service quality, isn't it? Enti wo ye bibi exceptionally enti ene no ye dedicate say so bia ye bibi na sa somo bo a na obe boni din na I mean where yi na ye waka bibia you know ebe praise nipa no because onipa ya ade a osaye ote honipa oti ni din wo radio so no onim se wani so ne awaya ama o na enti de ebe bie phone lines no na aba abeka service ne de bebre enti no ye no omo ye papa na ye bo mo abaso no bie hie bie free mu ehu hia pa ni onye ni ye no ontie no onye ni ye last week na me ka baby na me ka so se ne na nkofo be ka omo nsem de no minya ne sa enti edwumakuo bi wo ho a ohun ukwas customers no ebi a seats e wo dem ho ketwa bi ba ku bi a minim wo nchen mu ha ba bi seats no 3 pe enti ye rem na se me nipa me nsat na se omu aka nyina ne aka ye gu abonten ne ye gina ria ne so says I now treat to customers are Mr. Customers in the ma wo ye ne a wo to me ye na wo gina na wo nya osika treat you mu ye hu hia pa me see ehu omu branch ami ni ma ebe me no sa wo kwa another branch so asa wo run inside that nipa me nsa motuna se akonya na ye ma de aka ne aka mo si abonti de bia me ka se anti nsuo to aye ne because abonti hokra ni security man agi seat ne ba ako enti no mo amakare na mu gina kakra ne tena se a temienu bi tena se ka security man ho a na mo aka ne gina ho no mu kra omu etwere rails ne ho saa ne ade ehu o anyway, you're faster that Emma Lexter Company Limited, producers of Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. I almost saw ya snake into Lexter Company Limited. Yeah, that almost say papa. Asidani dia yene ready. And then me wa ba kubi pa me jema to her COVID ba ye no obi ye me papa bi pa ma nti me decide say na me jema to her. Ai me jema to her say na be ya anya duan na che say
so GDA dia. I say sometimes GDI refer to as madness because if you want to follow the norm, you can't make it, you can't push it. So GDA there, who GDA there? So nyasa kukudu.
Also patapa ni bika home.
GDA.
Any patapa. But only what you imagine ako bibia make us this year at the beginning of the year. Make us a house. Hey, that's what need the friend is saying. Make us house. I have me so for grab me.
TMH.
The makers then I at the beginning of the year, no, a year so for my 3 G's. I am fine and go through 2026 or see your goals, your God, your guts.
Okay.
Ain't it patapane guts? And you should have your goals for this year. You should have your God leading you, and you should have your guts, because when you guts now, you be tete also.
Yes.
We to me our goals now our God, but we are timid.
Exactly. And only as I'm timid, so I timid. No, see that be. Let me use that as an advantage.
That's right. That's right.
Making person.
Nice. Oh, we preaching you know.
Yeah.
Oh, Maka be preaching from January. Never. Auntie Adjoinie. That's why I wild area. Bibia da.
That's a meaty person. Hear me some stuff.
Oh no! I'll say here, bro, for be mouth.
Hey.
Okay. And then I break and lose.
Break and lose.
And I no. Sompa delight. I better call. Maujidi enya sa mao. Sompa delight. Afa. Programs nya ye ben sa Sompa. Yeah, they are so. If I Sompa. No. Metie for bebem no ma be ka obi a waye bibia ama omo ni age ho ni ade no ma bona baso ai say company bi kra wa mention, you know, they be a make say you say hospital bi o dance man nti enyi ba akwohwe because obi etimi abodi ni de na che say service ni excellent pa nti Royal Hospital or something. Nti na ne ye be kone akwohwe nti obi anyire ne ho nye ne service such that obi betumi enya akokudro agina radio so abodi no ai that's what we're looking for. Nti ene is another day. Vocabs corner, are you ready?
We are
ready.
Oh, and the word ne shada anchire so sa people are not when you su kra de dada. But ye de be metie for no mashe. Enti ene vocabs corner bang. The word for today is fastidious.
Okay.
Fastidious. And may spell fastidious.
Yeah.
Fastidious. Fastidious. May sankebium FASTIDIOUS. Fastidious. So we show meaning now him say bibi e wo hwa, you know,
now him say meaning ne kra no wo ma sign ache ye word baako
ai words wo
me hu the officer to
meticulous na officer get
that word no so for Jerry or tappy super
meticulous
ana me boa so asamate wo no be 2 or 3 times
me fa so bun kan meaning Monka meaning na yanko into fastidious.
Where can I mean kind?
But okay.
Okay. I say no dey we into me. All right. Fastidious. I'll say it describes someone who is extremely meticulous, attentive to small details, and concerned about accuracy, cleanliness, or order, often to an excessive degree.
Okay.
It also refers to being hard to please or very particular. The term frequently applies a demanding, picky, or finicky nature in personal standards or work.
And see, fastidious. Example, no say, she's fastidious in her preparation, checking every report for mistakes. She's fastidious in her preparation, checking every report for mistakes. And only attention to details, no. About cleanliness and our order now. See, he's fastidious about keeping his desk organized.
Yeah.
He's fastidious about keeping his desk organized. Now, about being hard to please, so, a fastidious eater. Just say, in a diania, obey a man no, or you're picky. Or person we way far we will have in penny say, any diania, Asha fridge, Mukura, me fresh one. It's fastidious. Okay, so there's the science one too.
This is just by the way. With the Duani there, example, am I? One should be say, we be making statements, in a statement, and I search the same. I so will be or didn't intend them. Why alcohol? Fast. No. That was just by the way.
When you say in French, those kind of words, your friend force at me. Force at me to say word that will be few say you say. But to question and then yes, because of the dean is any into where force at me.
What's my vocabulary?
Force at me. French. Force at me. Like I said, wrong friend. Wrong friend, you know.
About cleanliness, and so on make you way because he was fastidious about his appearance.
Yeah.
Never leaving the house without a perfectly pressed shirt.
Exactly. Now when you cry a bit to me, the Katiwampos are warhole. Because obi are fastidious, so making sure send a tie and sit Katiwampos.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kata name be.
Katiwampos antonyms never.
Never break out. Until no word near fastidious and no word near fastidious.
That's great.
And that is that on Sompa. Delight.
Anna, wait. Where do we say you're relating it to temperament?
Okay.
Melancholy for no.
Omuna ya na omu ai. Prim prom. Omu ne from prim prom no.
Your word
fastidious.
Prim and proper.
No ne prim prom. Ne shots from the prim prom. All right.
That's great.
And quickly, we have fire caucus and I've been saying, well, Nkofo video ma omu be bana omu be any more interviews in tea. Let's take our concern for today.
And ne concern no.
And they more
So let me start with video here trended from last week here.
Okay.
Delight the and the comments that are coming on okay, if a Methodist are sorry so a mercury leader beer meaning say a mercury meeting and no more you say a teaching service or say a sorry council meeting or say a day, but there was a gathering in penning for once and mostly Orthodox churches in a sorry penning for no soft ne elders no omomotna pulpit ne so na members not na na when we mu discussing am mi sorry je microphone hey
ensure tap engineer
say asem ameno wa mi ni pa sen komo no de ba be wo so and was sofo who preach you catch say nyankopon say wo asori den mu yo Kristo ni ye gidi ni na se wantua ntutu so dudu a me kire fighter wo ye kromfo ana so wo ye kromfo ana so wo se nyam na me kan Bible no na e kan say wa rob woni se ne hensam ni nyina so kan wo hensam ni nyina so kan wo se ne papa na chese wodi need papa se wo se sa na Bible ne kan de ne wo ne asofo mpanifo no mu nyina mo ya kromfo mo na mu di kan wo se Say because also sana Bible because mo say won tua tighter wo wu ayemma ne bibi wu a anase asem bi to na yemma meboa no obi wa so enu adwuma kura woni bi no waye e na wo ye adwuma na wutua title ma me ne so wo no wo se me ye adwuma pa metimi atua ma na bro so ba me ntua say title no say 2 billion and a minya ne bosomi bia na say metua 200,000 as tight me de me pebe ba na me de nkai na ye de me pe wa abonten and I say makuo leader
na omu vetting as omu choosing as a leader
na ma me no wa cause a lot of stir on the internet like obia comment obi a share perspective am amene kasa from well for me I think say ma me no valid point be a wo raising but a kwan a offer so deliver no enye you see sometimes you may be right but the way you go about it no might be wrong na ma wasem ne kra no a job abebo wan kasa aha because sesana so for say Bible tight ye en tight no ye mfa tight enkobo nsoa yemfa tight enkonko rent dan mu obi so obi ho chi na enti sa woka se welfare and na woka ho asem de a that is different but woka se because se obi ntua tight nti asem to na asore ne meboa na what are you trying to communicate me pa cho sa na Bible ne kan
when the Bible person so me gidi say asori bia ne nhyehyeye enti maame no okomu no we hu nhyehyeye da ho ana enti watena ho say ti na nsa na waba abeye aba be ka wo internet so ma yeyi eye sa ne omu nhyehyeye wo ho enti no wunima wunima no wedi so debio wunima no wedi so
well
because obi a charismatic bidimuni ade no ebi wo hokra mo no mame fa sorry nye example ye enforce say to your title na bibio debio ye what time ye be ka cho say you wa pledge bia person the baby every Sunday ope afabra you know why already now they are near they are there inti ye nka say ye record ya na ye bibi say but welfare there ye wo ho hyehyeye ye wo groups ye kodom nti no wo fa say isaka o say den ne nyina wo na amount nti wonim say welfare we dey me ka hwin say me ye wedding a we ni e be ma me ma me o say den fi ma say ni e be ma me nti no we are aware tight ne dey obian for so ene me so for beka o say envelope nipa ye de ma wo gate anu wure mu no se wo sa de akoto offering bo nim empty kra obie nim enti eno no ye style no obia so woni de enti ansa na wo kodom no wonim se sei na eko enti watene mu na se sa na akwa na wo de abedu se ane na ba begina internet so akeke kanema esa na wo ko sheki obi gidie because emma na ye mane de obia ni gidie o obi wo ho gidi se enemi empty me purse mu menya obi so wo ho feel say debi we de e wo say me di madwene to ho ne ade obia ne de obia ne nyame enkita hudi oni ni di nti na ma me ne nyina internet so say obi gidi
my point is
yeah, actually before then enye ono no buy internet so hwa ye we omo ye no obi
echa
oh me hu
yeah but the fact that internet doesn't mean she didn't say it I do cost you know of course but me argument ne say let's separate church doctrines from what the Bible is saying.
Okay. Good point.
Let's separate it.
Good point.
Tithing is scriptural.
Biblical, yeah.
But church doctrines there e nipa na hyehyeye.
Sa.
Enti to say bia yemfa na say Methodist, Presby, and as Orthodox church bia bia me masori a me wo mu no, yes say wontua title yen recognize you as a member of the church ya sorry bin hyehyeye me pato nipa na yes amra no na wo ba mu a ye ma wo
wate
enti wo ya aware eno ye asori ne hyehyeye say but asori foforo bin so say title no scriptural Bible say yenye say wo ye say wanye wo ye wo ne onyankopon tem asem but aside title no yeah sorry ne say because a title ne nye enhyenti no ya san system bia ya friend welfare ya sa welfare no eno no so wo pa na wo join wo pa wo join na mom se wan join na bibi to wa me pa to woni asori no se e bia asori ne mana na free wo mu pem eno mo say ye pe wasem ye ba bejaw na ya bon so when ye individual thing on person mo ye but say ye kofa welfare for 20 sika say nia ye de ebo nso wani anade ye de bo oni mepato wonya bibia saa
why no on fa ne de meto ne emfa ma
why no fa ne de meto ne emfa ma enti yen separate assurance hyeye and free the bible e kam utua untutu so dudu a eye ahyede a Kristo ashe ojidi ni bia se wonye enti se wanya ye wode onyankopon tem asem ba welfare ne de eye nipa ne hyehye enti se wo problem akone ne welfare committee fo no nkonko ka men fa meto abonten me describe it said ye asori no you see they do these things and they paint yes
akonfo ne ade
and they paint the church black already no asori ne kra no nkrofo wo ho nsem Canada enye nsempa but ye mine
kiki ya kapre
I say when wukura Kristo beba enti that's the argument church no say see a positioner ye gina no enti no fine you have a valid point wona also wo ye wadwuma ena nyame se wo mfa so abenya no chemu 10 nafa emu ba ko bre no na wo say wo de half na ebekọ a na wo de half na akoye bibi foforo amepacho ye wugidi a eferu tunye bi enti maame ne nkomo ne de nkomo ne so baitre obia ne de wo ka fa ho nti meme argument no asori bia wo ne hyehye enti wura mu a wo hwe na ebeboa wa tenamu wani nye ho akwa asori foforo but make sure say nienti a wo kwa asori ne se obeye onkwaje ho adwuma no that should be the focus that should be the focus
me no ya adwene o say a man on platform no o ka bi chire o mo pa no mo tini aye die
enti asom na me kan de eye yete ase sa but where
kan wuni man sa wo ye wako
na wo hwe ma no so be leader
ka chire wo san kwa leader ka no kwa na man ye wrong no because we call discipleship class ya catch o mo ko Sunday school mo no po no ayo mo ye Sunday school Sundays na ye church nti mo nim doctrines ni ade nti mo nyina ho nkeke bibia
so hwa ultimi say obi a
kakra won nsem
so so no run the business
no wa sorry mu a amo ha sorry ne pa
oh debi me no nya de ebi mu ho a
they really support
ebi no
so mami me sorry ameko yo 3 piece
okay
yo preaching pillars yo praying pillars
okay
and yo paying pillars
okay
yo mo a kanya me asem obo mensuma no obe kwa bonte ka yo mo so bom pai ma so yo so bo asori no in fact the truth of the matter is that obi ahun ya sika ni ministry ma you struggle you sika ni ministry ma you struggle but nipa bi no nipa bi ni in quote sika on nsema na ebia obo asori ni ti I know person dictate suma asori no
sa ebi no me
ebi wo ho however mama die misumenji ndi se mama no like wasori no e complaints keke
no
bibia yes
bibia because we should make reference to ombetua 5,000 and mama be woni mama 5 cedis you could see that how when wo e bi krapa ya say that po ye twabo ato a ye dem am ntina wabo amount no so all right enti no me de debi ameka say me ko school de chere no debi adamitrim it is not what you say but how you say it
exactly
meti aka say Abena me da say meti aka say oh Abena Ruthy me da say ma ka me da say o
no ka no mienu but then no
but how I said it no and I draw a meaning I my attention to a meaning enti no e be say bibini a okay we may not also know ebia no approach leadership sa ma omo nya ho hwe however let's advise to a craft no ne etu momo ne so for however let us advise na anase asori no you see there are some financial policies in sorry to say ma sorry first na issues welfare sika semna issues but you could see that for some time now no welfare no you said that way a welfare week that week the money doesn't go anywhere etna local every money etna local send be members no however title obi am be for sale you recorded title Pentecost obi am be for sale name there any say teachings no Last Supper week we are there tighten teachings the obeje Last Supper week your week Last Supper communion about 10 years and have tighten so account because you eat tight every month your teachings no matter because teachings na say now obi make a valid point to me ma with I'm sorry no much short tight no the quite no much because I know a few number of churches are
of course for recording
now the nipa ne kan no na edin komo na nipa ne kan say omo because aya no person say members na ejuma ekoso anase tia by detecting that the tight now could 600 cedis by say I'm about 400 so that they can be able to know say ejuma na ekoso ana
no so
and na pam ka bibisa so video we eye wone onyankopon so betim fifire mo bia be fa ho adia ejejereje
and you think God will let that thing slide
tight no sabe enye sika fon kwa na to tight wa so
obenya ho eyi a friend say e ho shira obenya
udi abenya enwa so twi
ugidie na wo de ye no eno na ebe count ama
adini de betimi esi na mo sane ya ye ka no ye kwa about it no eno na de bia make us Bible say soft answer turns away wrath de bia make us say we are why say with me particular why say ebe bia ba obe force bia be hwehwa me preso and I'm trying to show nemo nipa kan asema me obi an processing sempa obi won kan asema lady kan asema kai I don't say make sense because we card na mana soft
about
how to go about our issues any sorry you see if you are investing in a venture and you are seeing progress say you don't stress kasa ho imagine say what time sike bi na de akɔhye wadwuma mu na adwuma no ebumi na wonya mfaso wo de kese kura kwa wunsuro because when him say you will get the returns there are some sorry bi wo hono mo a see the sika ekom when I was in Evangelical Presbyterian Sunday bia before I move to ICGC Sunday bia no ye ba sorry announcement no ye bu akontan o de ye nya wa sorry dem o sa Sunday no afori ye boy no ye bosso e bia morning devotion ye nya sei Tuesday service ye nya sei Sunday anapa first offering ye nya sei no ma calculating ti week no sika e free members ho ba sorry ni mu no we they omo bosso wa sorry ho enti unim enti for those sa Pharisee for na omo wa nsori ni mu na omo take note yeah omo ye academicians na omo keka sa book law for no onim sika e ba sorry ni mu in the course of the month enti imagine say the whole year ye ba for ye harvest ye say na still sorry baako emu show ye AC baako kura ye ntimi ntom fam bo dem wo say members ba sorry they will feel comfortable. I mean do you think say next time what say ye to asase a ombekwa akọba for ye no enti ye say the jerry kan ye ka bi ma ekura no ye ka bi enti sorry no so let's see evidence of the investment church members are doing na ye hu a ye yikura ye nwene ho enti eno so de eno no
I agree with you
yeah
na obesha my na me say ye friend yifu no mo beja obesha cozy environment ye tenemu ya sorry na obi an kan tell say wa ka tell say boy for real but wa be hu say wo de no ye friend is saying a drop in the ocean it's true. Point now making it very valid. Say, omuma ye hu contributions na nipa na so faso. Na ye hu nye say ye be ko na show de ne team na de bia na e ma da bi ne bia be na so for Dakar bi ne ade no.
I don't know ya ko is never no.
But mu investment na mo ma ye hu na you know e ma ni ye ni fine na make am say cozy environment ma ye ti ye asori enye easy o wa ko ha be hu na
yeah church say o mutimi organize free fair so wo ye business wa sorry bia na ye peda ye display exhibit fake be no be a ton ade because people come into at least own promote your business kakra no my mate nka me kasa na 3 stories by time ninti no say they are deliberate on way ninti my memfa ba ko pentwam say o chia me kwa me we releasing nyum foforo your friend club na clap ne buy no na man for say enyumi de tete school eyi KG life pass and and now they yakko and your one yet is Richard ni Amakwe businessman ya nano ni kana semi wabe pledge 100,000 Ghana cedis to support promotion of the song. You see, hey,
I see. And then ye maniting kwa.
Papa,
what is it?
And propose wedding and kaya sempa. Ba man for say, hey, o person what chire bibi, o person show levels be say or no or was so.
No, only
the wife, the ex-wife, yasemi ye be say papa sika nipa na we say sika fian na we so betua ma oyere asay.
No, ebi so how I had that conversation no person mu divert attention. Ebi so
person mu divert but it's a good thing. Yes, it's a good thing.
Support art bia manage ho.
It's a good thing. Congratulations to Ochame Kwame. 100,000 Ghana cedis will go a long way to promote because radio so ne kra na enda form sky di be ma producers ne mo keke a whole lot of money anyway so I supported dia ye nana se na Ochame Kwame team so wom so asom me sure so wom so adana se it's a good thing ye encourage say unsam wo bi na obetimi aboa
mo support artist entertainment there who here it's na yes ye na was
ya no me dey chef na me adoma wo china na
money freeze na de ba to me ye defrost wa ha enti fastidious lady that's it Kira Yehowa Auntie Adwa stories ne mo hwamo Hey mami o say tight ni ade just say asofo ni ye no man hwe ni ye but ensemum te ya na yetia mu ye ja se ne ne ye ka no wugidie ene ma wo de ma enti ne se wugidi nko a se wo benya so emfa so de ampacho yire ho anama wo support bia wo de ma asori bia misre obomode anakoso na ye no Ochame Kwame so we di loto nye easy because nye easy so benya support oh wow enti RNAQ ye that's ampacho ye ma nkofo bebre enye ba ko pe ohun Yeah, my senior was shasty and Kosusa, knife and cover stories, Nadia. Anyway, me were wonderful people at our studio, has say. I hope so be a catchy.
Make it right.
Auntie, me and my sister. Me and my sister, women in gospel. Now, women in gospel, they say a busia. My sister, papa, Oba son, no, Parky children's woman, or demo her. Nana, Moakwaba.
Yeah.
Na sani amukala na ye ready ni ne fine o. Enti papa koko mi Moakwaba. Wow. In fact, yeah, was said ye Moakwaba wa nti mi Moakwaba ni ye nti mi Moakwaba eba Sompa delight so obe try ana. Sompa delight. Anyway, for I have my sister Nanama in the house. She's a minstrel. Yene na netonyom women in gospel music na sister oyene ma bebre ka enyom to ne ho. Ene no gina lorry station bi no preach no oyese ochina no woko ha. Na ene no omu de bibi foforo eba ene nti no ma ba ha. Enti nana yemo akwa aba. Be me na yemo akwaba obebe mic ne kakra na we introduce hu na etiefu ehu enti papa yenkoi.
Good afternoon.
Your
friend me Dr. Selassie Dugby.
Okay.
Yes, me a medical officer.
Okay. Okay.
Me ejuma primarily at a general hospital.
Oh right.
Yes. Me doctor say kuku damfo na ejuma.
Okay.
Yes. Me specialist.
Okay.
So I'm
a general practitioner.
Yes,
okay. Okay.
I practice mainly in surgery.
Oh.
But I still do
okay.
As well.
Okay. Una mutu chanko for.
Yeah.
Muna mutu charo. It's mu try it saying say they will try and nam bisa na day.
It's normal as and you know I quite see the will try na mo fie na service.
Unsro. Wow. That's amazing. Yeah, ma umo ni ejuma pa. Ena wo koso so no erade emfa wo nko kan na wonye specialist na wo nko wanim sa ai nana to say anyway metie for nte wonka person to nyum lie bia na den ana sa obekasa wo de ka ne nko
Me va show me din na ma. Yeah, many help our medical missions. And a year juma.
Okay.
Yeah, New Crystal Hospital.
Okay.
Ashama and a collaborate.
Okay.
And NGO juma.
Okay.
My boss say one patient at a time.
Wow.
And within an area yawa.
Okay. Okay. Into one patient at a time. Then I'm my patient, no.
Okay. My boss obia ne kondo se obeboa nipa. Oh yeah, he's one of the big surgeons in the States.
Okay.
A friend of Dr. Chris Bell, Dafamapo.
Oh.
And so 3 years ago, he saw the vision to give back to Ghana after schooling in the States and working there. No, oye na adwen se obeba fie na edwuma oye wo ho no se nye obi an obetimi aboa ne kora na if one patient at a time obetimi aboa no with a deformed obi a waye deformed e wo ne nan mu na se waye surgery e de ama nipa no ama nipa na etimi nye se wo nan no na ye ama na ye yiasa but at least to give you a functional foot to walk on. Yeah, and then 3 years ago, he liaised with New Crystal Hospital to bring this vision.
That's where you work?
I used to.
Okay.
Yes.
So now you are with the NGO?
Yes.
Okay.
Now he collaborated with New Crystal Hospital to bring the vision
on
to
New
life.
Crystal Hospital, Ebomu.
Yeah,
so
yes, because he doesn't have a hospital yet.
Okay.
New Crystal Hospital, na a facility.
Okay. Ehona mo ye adwuma no wo ho. Okay. Nti hwan mo sa na mo seek to help. Omo nan I from the Hifa community and mo are restricted to mo community mo wo mo ana say mo call out.
Okay, this question I'm going to answer and I'll leave the rest for Dog.
Okay.
eye for obia.
Okay.
The whole Ghana. Obia oti nibia or deformed leg one way or the other.
Okay.
Obetimi aba. Yeah, nyamiya aduma next month and you was screening.
Okay.
From 4th to 8th of May.
Right.
So
right.
The person should find his or her way to New Crystal Hospital.
Okay.
And then it's open to everyone.
Okay.
And the a few way no. We are having hip bone surgery. We want our hip fracture.
Okay.
It's included.
Enti me pese enya time na ye ka enti mo mama ntwa me homra me ba na ye ne doka kasa ne asan etimu biom because enye easy e free na mo surgery na e free
me patcho e free
me kwaba munya aboche me fa kwenye na me nda Lexter Company Limited ase ai omo de Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush aba market no na Accra se wo pese utubia 050 161 9588 050 161 9588 na Kumasi ye 050 139 0338 Kumasi number ni ye 050 139 0338 Mr. Mitwa me ho abasisia na ya to ankomo ne so because free surgery de ho na ye basisia
Clinic a sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem. Wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st clinic ba ya adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je no Ghana ha. Ene amono ne enya asem ketua. Wo mu je international awards ahodo, wo mu je local awards ahodo. Na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia je 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade pa ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran ba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na ba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Hajia special local foods. Abakade. Enye diani ni diani o. Yewe diani ni yewe diani. Enye nwanwa se Ghana ha. Ahemfo. Eya kesiye. Wedina kesiye. Party kesiye. Se wo pe baby a wo be serve wo ma wo ho. Se ye buffet ene wo mo ye. Se ye local continental dishes a. Wo bi e twa nani a. Hajia special local foods. E wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no. Die ntie fe ni local foods ne se. Enye wo ye aduane a na wo matentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro na wo de aye aduane se ya abonti na aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi haji esuro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese ayi ahemfo na nanom ahemamo wo motena se ne wo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo se momfra haji special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve haji special local food pese ofra 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and answer 059 479 7215 059 479 7215 na would dem
medo edrano pa wutimi to boase etwitwiwusi o ado na so ni se me the Yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwimesima minya homka senti na ye bokoi na me me all time favorite Yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me amasesei menum so a enwunu anasa de ehia me selfimfem me biem na wo hwasa mesi aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens Yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me di hwimese enti na wo se afei na Yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne de ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham oh yes Enukratrodo, Yas Herba, Yas Whitening, any Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste, and any brush, Abusian Chamfa.
Sawo pedudu tu e won kran ha. For Leicester Ghana Limited and was 050-161-9588. Leicester Ghana Limited and the Yas toothpaste mo ahodo and the brush abadwa so abeboy.
Tontonte yanum nsane e fadwen.
Ne fadwen mpa say na nim say brebi beba ama tontina 74 upa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduru.
Tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene esina nanom dodo so. Se de na dodo bua ma nanom enyare basabasa no sa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no.
Emo immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho den.
Tontina 74 yinso yaye ne se nsuo kokrowa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ.
Samene wa ankefi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74.
Se mennom tontina 74 menya hodin mennom ne dabia.
T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama sa no. T74 ahoden ni apomuden ko a.
Woko pharmacy ana ba bia to nwo bia ubenya tontina 74 yi bia to.
T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a o manufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu.
Etu phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498. FDA agi edwedin kratwe atum.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwampo.
Onyankopon di fa wastrano eweye brim. And am nensaso ama onyankopon we ya won wade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us Sompa First Service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bro nyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Ma Sompa First Service entwa wo hu hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie. Fa woda no nyina share radensa na erade beye.
Ampase nyeye ne ayo eye radina ayampa ena wama the helper medical missions for abedua fidie mu omudi emwa ebre omu foot and ankle deformity moya de doctor nyami shamo enti cheche yemu usi hwan na mu ye aboa omu no
Intino, from children to adults.
Okay. Doctor, mami, mreka krami shade mau. Aye. Okay. Enti patwa brawe nim kakra na yen kasa.
Enti na me ka say from nkola to Impenifon Cocrafon, some of the conditions we are looking at is club foot.
Okay.
Yes, and I'm confirm more different bow leg. We have valgum, we have varus, K leg for bow leg for the extreme ones. Those are the ones we are looking for. conform accident I be on nine to me for this surgery. Because of that the bones did not heal properly. And when your friend a malunion. They healed but they did not heal in alignment. No
na man nine na ye bibie wo ho nti mo boa etnet ne nine no
yes
nti we dey dompe mu nnwuma na mo ye
exactly ebi mo ho a omo dompe no bu ye no it didn't heal at all nti gap wo dompe nim nti ebi etimi ene mo be say a bone graft will remove bone from somewhere implant it in where there is that gap no, to fill it so that you can walk yeah, so we are doing all of those, and there's another orthopedic surgeon from the US that is joining the one that's coming and unknown he's going to do everything else. We basically have two serious specialists who are coming to do this thing. So we have one for the knee down to the ankle, the one who's taking everything else
to your waist,
like to your arms, shoulders, clavicle. Right. Maybe with the exception of the facial fractures. We have other specialists who take care of it. From maxillofacial specialists, we are not dealing with maxillofacial people. We are just dealing with orthopedic surgeons.
To don't penny baby not more case sisi kura don't pay bibi
we have people who have hip fractures no your best sound hip now.
I see.
Yes, somehow the following day you should start walking.
Wow.
Yes, the following day you should start walking. And in the States, 4 hours after surgery you should start walking. Yes, but they have the facilities to allow that. But in Ghana, at the very least 24 hours after surgery, they start starting because and that is very common with Nkokafone marijuana. Because women don't pay me both and it decreases their life expectancy. Once we do that surgery for them, they're able to walk. So we are doing all of these surgeries. They are major surgeries, quite expensive surgeries, but we are doing all of this
for free.
Yes,
I see. And me who has say in fact mo flyer no yeah they better Facebook near them. Me who say more year programming on the 4th to 8th May. Right.
That's the screening, yes.
That's the screening.
Yes.
Okay, nti ho na we ba na afa ya schedule for surgery no.
Yes.
Is that nti ye hu
yes.
No pem ne ahwe ne e hawo.
Then we plan accordingly.
Okay. Okay. Nti no mo my details no nti na hefa na mo ye wo because hu hia. Nana
before I go on, there's one thing I want him to talk about.
Okay.
There are people who are also born walking on their toes.
I'm sending you picture no crowd or my in so. Eti for some Facebook amobehu. Me pacho go ahead.
Inti you refer those conditions congenital conditions.
Okay.
Yes, inti no ya de wo and so usually no woman no because we don't want to touch them when they are very young. 1, 2 years. We don't want into a tremor stronger.
Okay.
Then we can do those procedures for them, and they should be able to walk after that. Into at least at the very least, so uba na say abia akolani or one of those congenital deformities. The idea one na say on shede nyin bia abia 2 years yenim say at least akolani be di be 4 5 years. You betimi dey ne din ato ho. O parents ajo number 2 until when we are doing the next one maybe in the next 2 3 years in him say we there on the list so data from 2 years ago 3 years ago now we are ready to do the surgery for them because when you do baby the surgery would actually benefit them. So it's not necessarily for babies alone and I say we are making sure that we have a list of people that we can also serve somewhere in the future.
Okay, I see. And to the my details, na he found that bang, na number.
Screening New Crystal Hospital. As I said earlier, it's a collaboration between the Helper Medical Missions and New Crystal Hospital.
Okay.
New Crystal Hospital, no more branches, baby. Ghana.
Okay.
A lot of branches.
I see.
Into this
so we
one,
all the branches are now.
Ashama Ashama head office. medical mall there were opposite Kufo station and on your friend medical mall ashama nti wodu ashama now bis ashama no Crystal Hospital na emienu
I see
baako main station
okay
and baako Kufo station nti wodu
Kufo station
there no nti wodu kwa na ka say wo come medical mall
okay
obia betrel
okay
and we are doing the screening from 4th May to 8th May
okay.
Your reason for screening any say wow beban baby ofia obabia no we are taking your x-rays we are taking your names your numbers your x-rays and then we are sending them over to surgeons now omobeban
okay
because
no more say okay
because patient bia ye different ebia na nipa too e work club foot but money the same
conditions
yes
okay.
surgery no screening no emma omo say okay ama ye akoso ye B enti omo park niama na when you are chosen for the surgery omo park ama niama nko no park akoso niama nko no park kwabna niama nko enti ne omo ba no mo pagya niama na we ama na e dia koye o surgery na ama we ye kwesi na e dia koye dia ma
oni so bodie mo ene on Sompa delight ye day no ye celebrate service excellence so I mean it's just right that we put you on this day ye celebrate service excellence and ya wo kano che say dey be omunye mistake intini ye show bia now we know any as producer omunye fastidious in what they do isn't it and that word for the day so we have vocabs corner too and that word no was fastidious che say we are meticulous. And that's exactly what you're displaying. Into me, person chair will say, "One by right place." And also from the 4th to the 8th. Yes. Okay, from time being, it means you how much.
Say ukwan wa. Eyana ebi mo obi wa mostly eyana nipa ni bebre fi northern region.
Okay.
Wasa.
Okay.
Western region Domahin Crow. Sa bia ni nyina no. We advise you call. Okay. You pick the numbers on the flyer no, and then you call. Then you send us a picture of the deformed leg or one na say baby now they are sending ye na ya mama ye video ye assess sa na mani nya wi na ya mama ye which are x-ray now they are sending ye because baby a wofin ekwan ewa enti me ma won tena ka mo because anipa ne na ye ne yadada enti ye ma wa badia na bia na we x-ray ne call ye no you've been chosen for the surgery.
Okay. So that is a screening and yes necessarily ubeba ho physical uwe chrea ube tumia fa number no na only wedding kita ho na oh that's good.
Yes enti omomwo Kumasi Takrade
enye omomma obesala ya na ahwekura nu so na de asa
the screening a whole week.
Okay,
a whole week enti ene oba ya omomwo around Accra bebia wo bia Teshin Ngwa Kaswa Winneba there about ankofo ni nyina mbetimi aba but omomwo we chire pan die yes say
but for number ni tudwa
me pacho number ni 0243
nyabo che ho na yen kan kakra na yen tumi ntro because obi wo ho a wonya kpanzuru asem ne ha no na opeso oye yo ne udi nkita ho enti mi sure obone baako na omumfa why
me pacho you me pacho 0243 82 96 91
okay
and then 0544 34 7239
okay
yeah any of these numbers
obesa they are two biom because flyer ne so baako na me hu e na wabom ye no enti patro sign fa two biom na St. Augustine mo be fa they are two online so ama
patro numbers ni biom 0243 82 96 91 and na 0544 34 7239
okay enti number si na se wo echichichi na se wo pese uhu ne ekoso a wo be frɛ na omune wako through na edi enti na eno no wo ho kama na doctor beka wa
na doctor ka dia so because doctor dia ono ya no okada for no ne omo issues pa okay Okay, because 3 years ago, when we started the project, virtually everything was free. But we realized that they were taking advantage of the fact, say, when to yashi, nisika ankomubi, ye surgery ni mano. Enti edro na de be mani wow dia mani free ni so onom ne kra no. Onom ne se ne so be no mo no. Onom ba ko ende ochina onom.
Ene se ne ho nto no
obi timi ba be ye dressing. Okwa no na wanante so all because nisika ankom eye free nisika ankomu bi. Enti ene ye hu ni se yentimi ma obi mfi abrochiri e ma me ye adwuma no etu ho ache adwuma because surgery ni orthopedics ni boy den ni boy di ontimi ma me oba obetwa no ani ticket ni Airbnb omo anu omo ye omo ade na wa be surgery na ma for free no ko na oji updates edi ama ne bosses omo ne nkofo na updates ni be ko bia na se nkoyie e be ko bia na se nkoyie because oye no anya papa but na wa we kuni ho aye adwuma into this time around ya ne say terms and condition one ye surgery ni ma wo wia wo dressing wa wo betuaka
ne bo anya
din se wo kakra ko dimu a wo be hwe ni yie ye ka se mfa wo nan si wo mfe nsi wo e ka se nante a wo nante
e sa ne pe no e ampa
iti
ye ne mo ya e ampa
ye terms and condition no bacho ebi no
okay ene na ne kwan so ano no enye se ebi na mu betua 50% na nipa ne so etua 50% of the surgery they totally free but more dress na wa dress no na
ekro kopem time a kro ni be kro ni be wo no
ne kwan so ano
no no ye dress ma na wa wetua ka ewie na de be dware a ye sign dress ma wa be se ye tia ka bio mai
no person dey be ka ho ana
and the MC
okay.
We just wish say because we are investing our time. And because the time is money. So time idea surgery we could have used it to do something else and make more money out of it.
Kalokum bi kra no
and some of the implants now we are using today, implants are expensive. When you have titanium implants, which is going 30,000 cedis, 40,000 cedis.
Wow.
And some of these ones, they used to Ghana, Ukraine, some of them are coming from maybe China, Pakistan, wherever the case is. But these doctors are coming from the US.
Wow.
They are coming with titanium implants, $15,000, $16,000, $30,000 implants. And you have a $30,000 implant in your hip, in your leg, then you go and then
why any bibia
we just hope say the kasacham fine kasacham muntie because momo papa ntimu ye di enti
that's right that's right and na omotu omo ho asi ho
eto de because the won't care nyama ni kra bi wo wa ebo as little as this kiti say $4,000.
Wow.
Na so the be 10 aba. Near the 2 cruise, the 2 producer na kwakudware. Na ye ya to atwene. Ne asane for to so kwakudware. Na there ya wo money say upon my survey I realized ebi mu de omonane class an ka de ka benku. Yes, because I or the 9 no can be
or they are talking that they say no
or they can be
or they seen that they national they are
because we do home visiting every time and sometimes if you people na wo remu a wo ni obi ot area wana nipa na talk o say hwe 9 or they can be
no amount information
it's me kon me ama
yes ramo emu ye diemu enti na doctors yi etu omu ho asi ho enti misra o se ye mawa so mu ye enti na terms and conditions apply meni mu ya adwere dodo meni mu ya adwere anyway enti ye better mase more final words bia mama etiefo enti na ye share etiefo I mean ye encourage you mo say wo condition ni bia na woni mo bia owo bia bomodin na find your way to Ashaman Medical Mall, isn't it? Now on the 4th to 8th May yen screen you na yen shana fe omun schedule for a free surgery you now hunto until na final words and then
Doc, I would want to thank Dr. Wisdom Amegleto. Yes, please there. Forgive me. I Amegleto. Dr. Wisdom Amegleto, CEO of New Crystal Hospital.
Okay.
As I said, branches need doors, ebi water crade. Ashama crade ebi watema. There was specialist centers. We have a lot of specialists and so and I'm assign so Eddie Asida Baby, I'm a New Crystal Hospital team Nina. Assign the Asida Mamia, my boss, Dr. Chris Bell, Dafamako, our US. Senyami Shrano, any ejuma pa or ye, and now from but Yamekano.
Amen. Amen.
The mekache eti for ne say in as much as ye to your home is see or to do this no a person motia say enye obia na oba ye betumi aiden let's be realistic but I say enye obia na oba ye betumi ahwe no but at least let's see what is going on. A bit more high, you need to be referred to see a neurologist, a brain doctor, because any problem there a bit more cerebral palsy, and yet dompe is a brain issue. What am I saying? Into one day. If we need to refer you, if it's something we can do and then fix for you. And then you be behind a surgery. It be more a POP in a session. Okay. POP no. Okay. And one thing Ghana for is so say you can say be on neighbor you did idea be you did me name no. It is meant for you to be able to do what you were doing. So now you buye and I be uncansis we are. You did any shame send about to me after maybe a few weeks of healing. Say the problem no war. The daddy be corrected. Send about to me anante. Into the daddy is there to help you. Into yes ramo. Say a case your daddy shame name and yes bia bibi inti and I want to mean that there be open nante. But me also the episode soon. It is going to help you live a much better, much happier, much fuller life.
Wow. Auntie Abena, I think we forgot about Omomo Kotoje.
And can be baby
said try to swallow satika fono mumra no
pacho mo dey need any surgery e fa mocho
okay na enti say me Kotoje me kneecap no dislocating na we mo ana him na bana ne ade a memra
yes. We'll just do an assessment and see what the issue is. Mo be wo ho mo problem no it's probably from muscle weakness. Because so muscles best strength thing. Exactly. If it's physio that you need, we'll let you know. Say, and then your life should be better.
Wow. Enti Dr. Dogbe ena nana amma nyame onhira mo bebre. And then Service Excellence Day no. The award name mamo. Say motu mu ho esi ho say mo be boa man sign there nti obia enye ne ho na onko so what's our problem now from the 4th to the 8th of May Bomodia New Crystal Hospital Medical Mall Ashaman Bomodia na compare for numbers need to drabium na fe creative for
Pacho numbers ni bium 0243 829691 and then 0544 347239.
Right. Enti yedamase ye wish him well. Nyame onhira won. Amen.
Osoro bekasa, minya bibegasa. Oh how bebreba ya na menamuyo. Osoro bekasa, amama kumba tomiye.
Ampa enka hoda. Yes, no Service Excellence. Enti se yenya bie phone lines na bra na be bone a waye bibia ye wo fe abaso. Me fasa kwenye na menchia efo kojo. In fact name say ambebwe. Efo Kojo, Zatu, Dan, Ben, omu nyina omu ye mechanics a omu oblogo ana oblogo sa na efe no oblogo na Reverend Ace so oboma baso ana ne se ye chia obi a waye bibia so wani no ye chia ne ntini ye bo Efo Kojo Zatu Dan ena Ben omu ye mechanics ewo oblogo nti Reverend Ace so oboma baso pa na mo boa no mo hwe ne ka ye ma no name of mechanics na ya na omu double prices no munsia Efo Kojo mu because ya bo omu din o radio so na che so omu ya de pa misro say spare part na ya men double price no especially my ye na ya omu de ye yo because on to be nko abosi e guy no agasa nko hwehwe nti eja ni abo price no huo mama no me pa cho we ye say jai enti Efo Kojo Zatu Dan Ben munyina mu ye mechanics ewo oblogo Reverend Ace nsenya me onhwamo another one so comma manager K or Gateway Imports or say also so why are dear pa na wudi do kre enti no nyankropon onhwao Nana me say me de betu dwa ye ni another minstrel ebe kasande na before obeba no me ka say me de betu dwa because 2020 obi ye me papa bi pa na so mani nti ne mebo ni di me nim say me boni di abeka say na political party no wo mo ada me pa cho nye politics na me ye ene me service excellence bo amebo obi abaso no ene edini amebo eye honorable Samuel Uku honorable baby awo bia me chia wate me kai pass 2020 covid by na nipa ko yire no ko ye face shield business aso yes honorable I don't just me I said me rain feeder but nyame fa also Emma me to meet it me ho into no me gina fidie so adawase nyankropo onhira wo papa onhwe sa papa wo ye me 2020 no so na omie kwan ba o wow tie me definitely osoro ebe kasa ama o Uncle Emmanuel KG yes afro dompe ya de nchia kese ma o ene ene de reverend is in nchia na every osi dompe why are dia bana ni aso ai ona ufa no eko abosi ukan nti oda wase papa mi hubida na Uber driver any driver rade the driver in fact sana I can't robber anambwa Uber driver bi ayo family prosper ajepo ayo tie papa enti prosper me chiao yami show ono so say one person na odi no krepa me say that na service excellence enti odi no kran kwan dia bebo abaso
dia sara na bebem sachira na muyo tumana efietitiyo ariye sisi be kwakoto se ebeto dia maya hwaye nyunyunu wai oh mi hu bida atini nini ya nasifu mesu misi one friend so be go na ni mase ne mo friend so be share ni monyamo otisa ansisa daw ne basha no dia sara na bebem sachi ya na muyo to mana ye fie titinyo ai every sisi be kwakoto se ebeto dia ma ye hwa ye nyunyunu wate aw mi hu bida atini nini ya nasifu resu dia mi hubita wo mi hu atini nini ya nasifu resu dia au mi hubita wo mi hu atini nini ya nasifu resu dia
na modi say nra my brother birthday man wishing no ewa ha eh debut braka me obetina ha ye lunch there was something wishing a happy birthday nti bros belated happy birthday why and I know I see ye throwback na trouser na or the picture na dey buy no almost say material na ye betumi dey apam atade mu carry ye no do birthday no me refi man wish hey to me wish you happy birthday bros nyami on show onye bi da na ma hu bi o why same pa na se radia onye bi do sa wonso o se radia mi hu bita wo mi hu atiri nini ya nasifu resu radia au mi hu bita wo mi hu atiri nini ya nasifu resu radia mi hu bita wo mi hu atiri nini ya nasifu resu radia au mi hu bita. For me sweet lady be our studio ha now only say some party light there yeah you use the word park with children we are tum say you Gracie J I'm for Jesus Christ wow me mama kwaba eba Sompa delight so I say na mbono no aha sa na ebo no aha Sompa delight Sister na powe nyame adom pacho na unse adom nyame gusu hraye hey mommy me ko de ya na adumo o de anyom ne bebo na ahaboko una bo amade na tie foti unka
pacho me da se yes ye nkra ne bone ni na ne se ne ye ba se ye ba be sra Sompa esan se Sompa ba ye mba afia hadda na Sompa nso de na se ye dia
da be me ka ne ye na etefo nti se me fra lunch no wa ma Sister me bua ka woni musa
na me ba pa na da no na me ni Accra ono na ema ne ba sa na me ye yie na unsa na ma fra winti na menti mi amfre won fache me ene waba ye ni so enti de ye che lunch ni nyina na ene me beje me de kutu cause me unsa pap bi she nchen ha be
o unsa pap bi she oh I see sao
ni e chiche ye no maje me de
ayo enti Gracie J ono ne hwan media minimu wo ye minu aba enti si e ka Gracie J a mpacho maye wo description kakra na etiefo enhu ye
Mpacho me da say mpacho ye ka Grace J ye Ghana nwumtuni a otu nyame ho nwum odi nyame asem fa nwumtu mu ema nyame ma echichi nyame ma re etu nyame ma fu na ye de twe Accra ema osro na Grace J me ye Ghana ni me ye mfante a chimne asante na nkran so eka ho
wow so ye kota
say nkran ne ka ho ne say ye omi won kran asase so enti ganyo bi Jimmy
ene obake
yeah enti na just say ye Ghana fo anu
wow
I see.
Na ebi a obi wo ho ne wuti area bi e na wetu but oti voice no any familiar nti ehefa no watena you know na say obi kaya on link
Mohammed say baby a matna me fan say yet na be makam but what de me fan nya say na misa and na ye betna adenta adenta barrier and na ye movie the call Pantine Junction ho baby and me free ho na me betna not Legon Legon top area ni mu
right
kakra na me dey free ho akotena tema
enti so obi tie was am potem obi tie wo area sa area na onim say any neighbor no or tenenka no that's what we are trying to establish okay so in terms of sorry hefa no wako one place na watna atonyom wo ho a
nyame adomo mi erade ebiebie kwan bebra maye ya just say ye krom ha ne kra ne akokọ ba bi bebre na erade nso so di afefa amano ne nso kakra ye gusu
eche kwa ene brand enye easy nti how long enyum tom no how long commercially
commercially no you ever find say 2013 na just say be 13 to 14 years ni
hey and this way that 2013 is only me apple time me buy na also buy me wa because me kai saw video na say mami acapella kakra
me tiasi e na dumo
adure
me won kwen e na dumo me tiasi e na dumo me won kwe na dumo
sa anyu e bo TV so na me kayo o say ejilan kwa boni trimko sa anyu ni e bo TV so pa enti Grace J nyoma wow enti de ne first album okay enti efi ho na wo ba na e we hin so
efi ho na me de won chen ba ye
won
chen
and also so my kakra ni enti
Wonchano oh nyamye wonchana metnada oh nyamye wonchana metna oh nyamye wonchana metnada
yentra nyame nchen sen menchen na sumdwe wo yedie wo
amen
oh that's amazing wabo adwuma enti how many albums now
nyame adom me 4 albums na me 3 singles
wow because wabo adwuma ya mpa so if you won China wo call ne we hin
na me call Adamfo pa Menya Adamfo pe ya me kani wasemi semi ke kani timia adaje bebo mi o enianumwe ye franu Jesus ni dini Jesus onu ni wiase aje nkwa ene wa mama dimi hu menya Adamfo papa bi o ye franu Jesus
wow
otu mi adinyi na yo ya de no
wow and our fourth
ni Yesu din
okay I see why are there wabo adwuma enti then I mean I know say you have an event coming up and no gratitude na waba shy or some pies and it no fagu my na in
do my 3rd May ya Elohim praise experience
wow
ewo ICGC prayer temple not Legon Wisconsin University Road in Esowa
yeah
opposite Puma filling station na sorry no time near 4 p.m. sharp
okay
nti ebusuafo we de mo amudie mu me adome abaya na me madina abaya just be bia because me the only time
in terms of trade you know hot right in terms of trade wo entrepreneurship now you know what the fat domain it wow
me tun sa fro bia organa say be bia organa patemu bia ne rade aduma third me time near 4 p.m. sharp
bra bia yini
ai me bra pa no mami uso say me pa
me uso so
you know Mr. Abusianfo say obia momoden akwasi ada opon asori apena tete odi wani atwe ICGC prayer temple na se de osori kese e de akọ nyame ahinwa nanim na nyame anam so aye hu nsentwene ni ahonwadwuma na nyame adom afiwe nsoso no dwumadie na afi bia wo nyumtofo a ya omutimi betai dwumadie ni chineme kama afiwe nso yenyaye papa Dr. Elda Kwesi Miracle and I am Mami Emi Newman and I am Mami Dana Hammond and I'm a soft penny Reverend Daniel Oforie Wuku and also so a wujumedea asia just say yedi osori ni ayeye ni mpaja be kwa aduma inwa nanim na nyame aye century
wow that's amazing so we your first time awaye
Pacho there be we fifth time
ish now because we abo aduma just say aduma pa no abo no because it's not easy to maintain a brand and then have an event every year we be nyame show grace
amen
nyame show papa and date near 3rd May 2026 and Sunday yeah wa ICGC prayer temple North Legon we say Puma filling station no opposite isn't it okay and at time near 4 p.m. na God's time and Ghana time
where ICGC time use
ICGC time I see
time na the
okay I mean say who elder me kwacha misro bra obeshia no na twi na frufru mi say that's saving ni obeshia no bra Patrick can correct it twi da ba me easy chale na Amy Newman mami yehu na che of course diner if I lunch no sister diner ba ha say wan kwa mami a say wan ma come etie fuate etie for on the 3rd of May, Mr. Mama yenko na yeni Gracie J enko sorry ewo ICGC Prayer Temple North Legon na minimum otumi ye enti no brana be so share isn't it nyame ede na ye adwuma pa Gracie nyame sure na enene ye special day on Sompa delight Wednesdays no your friend no Sompa special ye bo obi a waye bibia ma wa wani so abaso enti na mi de wo sha se ansa ya call lines ne so obi a wo fi so waye bibi wa abrabo mu a wani age ho no betumi abonidin wa abona abaso enti lego I feel no opportunity.
Mommy, omodo so.
Enti boni abekai.
Esa me mistake kra. Enti me
enti we no. Ope so boni tofa. Okay. O de mama ma onye ni sa.
Otina nko obi anga say na. Wa mommy dini nti. Me fa konya kese we so akachre obi bia wa ye adoye Muama Gracie J Ministries from 2013 enye easy say nyame nsuro mo papa na onye obia kuma so ade man ewe Yesu di
amen wow amen Gracie ye da say papa nyame nsuro no nkoso and strengthen wo ministry no man ngusra enye kese ewo wo so na nea wo ye bia na enye ye na on the 3rd of May ye tietia so you say ye de bia ba enti ye besha ho nyame onsha papa
madam wase
enti the numbers to call wo bi a wo bona baso na 0260 196064 and that's 0260196065 obi a waye bibia so wani so nim say Wednesdays de ye masa akwanya na frɛ na bona baso frɛ na ka bibi na fashioning crying ai Mama Matilda ye wa papa. Aha, ye na.
Ya mami, especially me ba.
Oh, mama line ne ko. Hello. Mama line ne ko Mama Matilda we dey fache ye entino unya akonya ni bi ma sign bra na yenti. Good afternoon. Hello. Yes sir.
What to say?
Nyankopa adom pacha oso e.
Boko, this is Sompa Mayor Tema. Do the do.
Hey, do the do, Papa.
First of all, I'm a Wednesday born, so the born for the beautiful voice you have for everybody.
Wow.
Yeah,
thank you.
Your voice is very beautiful because every 2 seconds you will laugh, and I just love who you are. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. Back to studio.
All right, thank you.
Hello.
Mama Metonka. Yes, Mama Metonka.
Me pacho.
Thank you.
And I know we are my joy.
Wow. On show so. I Obete. Wow. Amen. 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 Wow. Wow. Yo, obete, nyami shao so bebre yedase. And until also to me the dear Abba, Mammy Gracie chance, but of our social media handles to Jamaye.
Pacho me that same. Pacho, wait me follow me all digital platform. So and you minima ma boni nyina wo no mo. Bet me akọ stream you Boom Play, Spotify, iTunes, Deezer, and na YouTube so kwa bet me akọ stream you ho. Na uria wa subscribe to me YouTube channel no. And na afein so asma me kan kakra ni say nyame nhira obia obetimi so afre opese wo mfre na onje direction so ewo program na sense so obetimi afre 024-831-0090.
Okay, to put na phone number ni to jabio.
Pacho obetimi afre 024-831-0090.
Yeda se papa me hu say ofrefo ba ku bi afem ti ma yemfa no preko peneja yemfa no. Hello. Yes.
Delight.
Hey, Sompa Delight. Pacho Dino any bebra o fefi.
Matthew Lapa.
Hey, me sweetheart.
Yes, Auntie Abena.
Yes, darling.
Me person me boss Sompa Delight abaso.
Okay.
Since that Sompa Delight by me English level echo high.
Hey.
This is a
Pacuchudinous. And they're not me more frequency back with Sompa Delight.
Sompa Delight.
No. Sir, Miss I use words no use.
So me phone na mabo mabaso. Na me shamo.
Amen. Amen.
From Anopa to say we are near Muslim na Edamat. Na me shamo bebre.
Amen. Bye. That's it. And not yet far kwenya so ada crew for nyina se. Hey, we say na so just jina. Omu boajuma enti producer 1. Odi for Jeremiah. Yedase pass. I mean from Ahomachi papa we Ahomachi anadu de som kra na o ma information. Ope say production ni ye prefer where dey then fastidious. Meticulous. I am meticulous in what he does. Enti Odi for Jeremiah me da say na fe me that rich bit my say utinyum bia was Sompa Delight so and say papa e no twagum ano na fe internet free so mu de ya to sui so mu twa videos my ne ade ay St. Augustine and a Lady Jill Anna also my friend a prophetess into my friend but or your prophetess enti St. Augustine and Lady Jill and nyame on shamo na fe kongonsa hima my park children's lady auntie Ajwa medase I was here that auntie akosi ase musa because I no pay enye frequency get to me tie ya nam si I'm for almost anyom no sound but frequency nye easy o enti auntie akosi ago abwaje madam communication pa show ya so ase eti for edian mejisoa ene Abena Ruthy na dwumedie ne so wa weni tia na ye Sompa delight enti nyame ya adoma ochina ye be hia na me sorry so ye ka kitu bi ka ye be hia nka ya fa baby me sorry so for God and country and eba yes is your program so ye be Sompa for God and country enti bi show me ko baby Professor Abochi aye crowd say ode